What's up, guys? Welcome back to a Nervous Trek. In this one, we're in Puerto Rico. We're going to show you our hike in Yunque to Mount Britton, some of the waterfalls, our hotel in Rio Mar, which was the Windham Grand Rio Mar. Check out this welcome drink they gave us on this beautiful property. This was the view from our hotel balcony, so that's Yunque right there. We did pick this property to stay at because we knew we were going to hike Yunque. We were scuba diving out of Luquillo, which is only about a 30-minute drive away. We knew they had room service to start our day off. So as we go through, you can kind of see, this is what our room looked like. Nervous Trekker tip, check those resort fees, check those parking fees. I ended up paying a whole lot more than I planned on, but it was worth it. So from here, we headed to Yunque, which you can see from our balcony. We did have to book this ahead of time from the government website. It was $2 per car. You book your time. We parked and then we headed up to Yunque. So fun fact about Yunque, this is the only tropical rainforest in the United States. The hike to Mount Britton is a lookout tower. It said it would take about an hour each way and back. We probably did it in like an hour and a half, but I'll tell you by this point I was exhausted and basically asking Zach to stop and take a picture just so I could catch my breath. You do increase in elevation, so you go 594 feet in 0.8 miles. But that feeling when you get to Mount Britton is incredible. You can see everybody that's ever been there. And then once you get to the top, you get this incredible view, and you can actually see Culebra and some of the other smaller islands from here. And one of the coolest parts while we were up here was the clouds actually moved over us. So we went from perfectly clear vision to a complete foggy, just cloudy, beautiful scenario. So check that out and enjoy. We definitely recommend hitting Juan Falls. We were the only people there, and we were able to park our car pretty close by, and it was maybe a 10-minute walk. We were joined by some locals, but basically felt like we had the rainforest and waterfalls to ourselves, and I don't know if there's another feeling that compares to this. As it became time to say goodbye to Yunque, we made our way back to our favorite bodega, and next door there was a restaurant called La Piscuelas. This was some of the best food we had in Puerto Rico. 5 out of 5 stars. Cannot recommend. Then we headed back to the hotel and just kind of took it easy. This is one of the pools that were there. There were actually 2 pools, 3 jacuzzis. Just a fun fact, this hotel is also connected to Margaritaville. It was expensive, guys. The drinks were $20 each. The cheeseburgers were $20 each. Hit that bodega, get yourself a 12-pack of beer, 12-pack of seltzer, and I highly recommend avoiding the casino in this hotel. Not a fun time, guys. I will tell you what is a fun time is the beach outside of this resort. It's incredible. You can walk one direction either way. No one really went beyond the beach chairs, so again, it felt like we had a private beach in Puerto Rico. And this was some of the most relaxing time we had and makes me not want to take a cruise again and just spend some time somewhere else and take it easy. We went back to our room. We watched this sunset from our balcony. Again, we're looking over Yunque where we just were hiking and playing in waterfalls. This was one of the most incredible experiences of our lives. We did head back down to try to get another drink. 5 o'clock somewhere bar closed before we could get one, so we drank the seltzer we had. Made in Puerto Rico. All right, turn your volume up. This is the best part about being so close to El Yunque are the coquis, the frogs that live in Puerto Rico. Enjoy these sounds. Coqui, coqui. Stay tuned for the part 2 of our Puerto Rico vlog. It was my first time scuba diving. We went from Luquillo to Culebra. Comment down below. Have you been scuba diving? Have you been to Culebra? And do you want more info on the hotel, where we were? A little bit more info? Let us know. Comment, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. We really appreciate you watching. A Nervous Trek out.